Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and gear. Today, we're diving into the world of travel photography with a compact powerhouse, the TOPINCN digital camera recorder. If you're an avid traveler looking to capture every moment of your adventures with stunning clarity and ease, then look no further. This TOPINCN digital camera recorder is the best quality small camera for travel available in the market today. Let's delve into what makes this camera a must-have companion for your next journey. First off, its compact size and lightweight design make it incredibly portable, fitting snugly into your pocket or travel bag without adding any unnecessary bulk. But don't let its small size fool you. This camera packs a punch with its superior sensor, ensuring crystal clear 16 megapixels photos and vibrant 720p videos at a smooth 30 frames per second. Whether you're capturing sweeping vistas or candid moments with friends, this camera ensures that every memory is preserved in stunning detail. Plus, with features like a 16x digital zoom and built-in fill light, you have the flexibility to get up close to your subject or illuminate dimly lit scenes for that perfect shot. And when it comes to reviewing your footage, the 2.4-inch LCD display provides a clear and vibrant playback experience, allowing you to relive your adventures with crisp, high-definition images. Made of sturdy materials and powered by 3 AAA batteries, this camera is built to withstand the rigors of travel, ensuring that it's always ready to capture your next great adventure. So, whether you're exploring bustling cities, tranquil landscapes, or anything in between, the TOPINCN digital camera recorder is your perfect travel companion. Don't miss out on capturing those unforgettable moments. Grab yours today and elevate your travel photography game to new heights.